Hello, everyone. This is Mario Mastrangelo, and I am doing Victor Santos, the co-founder and CEO of Airfox, for my social entrepreneurship presentation. He is a 30 under 30 social entrepreneur of 2018, according to Forbes. So, a little bit about Victor Santos. He's 27 years old and lives in Boston, Massachusetts. He has a Bachelor of Science Arts from University of California, Berkeley. He began working as a COO of Chow Telecom from 2011 to 2013, which is based out of Brazil. He left there and went to become a marketing manager at Google for a year, ending in 2014. So a little bit about Airfox. It's a financial service company for emerging markets, and they aim to create wealth for those who are underbanked and need assistance. Airfox created a cryptocurrency called AirToken, which is a peer-to-peer microloan system in form of cryptocurrency. For those who don't know what cryptocurrency is, it is a digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the number of units of currency available and to verify the transfer of funds from person to person. And these currencies do not have a centralized bank. It is also an Ethereum-based blockchain, which had a $15 million initial coin offering. And currently, as of 2018, there are 2,500 users with locations in Brazil, Sao Paulo, and Boston. So how AirToken works. Step one, this is an example. Bill needs $1,000 to cover his rent for his business, but doesn't have a bank account or credit rating. So he will then use the Airfox app daily where he can borrow the $1,000 and begin building trust. Step three, Bill will repay the loan back with income from his business in installments. And then step four, Bill can then now loan money to others where he was in the same situation. The mission of Airfox is they want to provide some financial security to those that are less fortunate. 59.2% of the world's population is underbanked, while 26% of the world's population is not even banked. So providing financial service to the unbanked has a value of 90 billion, and 85% of that is coming from Brazil, Mexico, and India. Since there's only an app at the moment in time for Airfox, and the smartphone prices have slightly in foreign countries such as Brazil by 60 or 36%, Mexico by 43%, and India by 45%. This could lead to more underbanked individuals to want to access this financial service. Thank you very much for using my presentation.